Hey, my name is Mntwana. Let's get started. If you FaceTime, do please just go to my Instagram, subscribe to this channel. Let me do this. It's very, very important. Let me just cancel everything clear because sometimes you don't get confused. This all look like, oh, I don't want to watch. That's the answer. Hey, don't do that. Okay. So follow me Instagram, all the social media. Also subscribe to this platform. Share to the other people because we have a program on the Instagram and Facebook that where go and give that feeding program. It's not only feeding because feeding someone might not change the whole life of somebody, but it equips somebody with skills. That's why I came with a math, puzzle, and coding program, especially for disadvantaged community and homeless. So we have that program. Go and check out, like the page, share with the people. You have any query, feel free to inbox me straight. Mntwana Wabantu at gmail.com. All the small letter. Mntwana Wabantu, gmail.com, at gmail.com. Or you can direct me to my Instagram, Mntwana_Wabantu. Do not write the academy, don't write 1981, no, Mntwana_Wabantu. Or Gmail, Mntwana Wabantu at gmail.com. Facebook, Mntwana Wabantu Academy on the Facebook. You can send you an email. Now let's get started with this question. Now let's say here, without further ado, let's say, okay, I like this. Sorry, I'm going to my question. Go to the question. Okay, we're here. Let's say the present value. So they give you the present value. So we know already it's a present value. So I'm going to say, okay, present value formula. Play defensive now. X bracket 1 minus bracket. That's a form of present value. 1 plus interest rate over how it was compounded. M represents how it was compounded. Minus M times N. And then we close bracket. And then we over interest rate over M. Means you over this stuff here. Okay, I don't know why that it's causing me some space. Excuse me. Now, what do you want? So let's say the present value of annuity equal to 62. So they give us present value. So I can write as how to say, but present value PV equal to 62. I can simply plug everything. Whatever I have there, I can plug in the formula. Present value I got means this one here I have. See? Means this one here. Now, they say time under consideration of 10 years. Oh, so our time N equal to 10 years. Time represents number of years N, 10 years. And applicable the interest rate of 16. Oh, the interest rate equal to 16. Compounded monthly. When they say compounded monthly, you ask yourself, how many months in 1 year? In 1 year, we have a 12 months. And that compounded represents using letter M. So the what M equal to 12 because it's monthly. So M equal to 12. If it was compounded daily, for example, which is not part of the question, if the say it was compounded daily, you ask yourself, how many days in 1 year? There's 365. So what M could be 365 if it was compounded daily. It was compounded annual. Annual means there's only 1 year in 1 year equal to M equal to 1. So depending on the question, but okay, it was compounded weekly. Weekly means you say M equal to 52 because there are 52 weeks in 1 year. But for now, they didn't ask about it. They just say it was compounded what? Monthly. And how many months in 1 year? There are 12 months in 1 year. So we're going to say our M equal to 12. Now let's plug it in everything. So we have everything. Let's plug it in. So it seems they're looking for X. So what does X represent? The value of X in either annuity present value or future value. The value of X represent how, okay. There's two things here. Money, okay, you only apply the future value formula or present value formula only if there is okay. If, for example, if you withdraw the money after, okay, let's say you inherited proper money, let's say you inherited money from your parents, and then you decide you want to withdraw 10,000 every month, or 10,000 every week, or 10,000, or okay, as long as they say every something, every week, every month, every day, then you can use the present value, future value. So the value of X represents that every week, every month, or even when you draw, or even when you deposit. Let's say you want to build your retirement home, and you decided you want to deposit 1,000 every week, or 1,000 after every second month. So that 1,000, if it's a fixed amount, and you doing regular, certain in a fixed period of time, then that value is X. So now we find that amount, which is X. You see what I'm saying? We're looking for, okay, now look, they say here, look, the present value of annuity, that one. So you got present value. And I want you to, they say the future value. So you cannot get the future value if you don't have that X. So let's find the X first, which you don't have, and then we're going to apply and get a future value. So let's find the value first. So present value we got. What is the present value? 62. 543.42 equal X we don't have, so we need to find that X. Bracket 1 minus 1 plus interest rate. What is the interest rate? The interest rate we got 16% over just compounded monthly means our monthly equal 12 in the bracket negative m equal to 12. See, but how many years? 10 years. N equal 10 years. Close the bracket there, over 16 over 12, 16%. So what we want to get? We want to get the value of X. How are we going to get the value of X? I want to say over this over 1, and then we cross multiplication. It's basic math. So we multiply this and that one, and then we divide by all of it. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to say 6254 multiplied by this, and then we're going to divide by all of these, and then that's going to give us the value of X. Let's go for the first step. Here we go. Plug it in. Come here. Fraction. So we start with 62. 543. 543. Oh, 543. Okay, let's put fraction here. Then go to the top again. And then put your 5. Go to 5 here. 5, yes, 5. Okay, we got 5. Okay, now we go. And then we multiply. We multiply by 16 because we say multiply at the bottom. So multiply by this one here. By 16% over 12. Because we cross 16%, 50%, and then over 12. In that all the stuff we say we divide by all the stuff which is in front of X, all that big bracket. So we can get a value of X. So we're going to say, okay, well, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus just normal check. Okay. Wrong. Okay. 1 plus 16 there. Okay, let's come here. Say 1. And go to the right. Say plus. What am I doing right now, man? Just wait. Just give us some. 1 plus. Okay, I like this. 1 plus. Fraction. 16. Shifting. And then we over 12. And then we close. Let's go. We're almost there. Sometimes this thing is gonna be slow, but I can just be winning. Okay. Close the bracket, and then we power, negative 12 times 10, negative 120. So negative 120, and then close another bracket. Because negative 12 times 10. And then close the bracket, and now this is going to give us the value of X. Get the value of X. So the value of X for now, the value of X. We do it, okay. 10 for the 7, 6, 6. Okay, I'll write down this one. So 10 for the 7. Okay, 10, 47, 0.67, 7315. Okay, so we got the value of X. So we're not done yet. So the value of X we got. So I can erase this because the value of X I got. And now we're going to find the future value. Okay, so now we're going to say our X equal to 10, 4, 7, 0.677, 3 is 3, 9 or 3, 1. Let's check. I think I got. Let me check. 3, 1, 5. 3, 7, 3, 1, 5. 3. Oh, okay, sorry. 3, 1, 5. Okay, this is value of X. So we haven't got yet the future value. So formula for future value we know. So future value now equal to, so sorry, So future value, okay, so future value formula, sorry, future value equal to x bracket, they look alike but it's not the same, and they put bracket 1 plus I over m times mn, okay, and then we minus 1. This is a future value formula. It kind of looked like the same, but it's not the same. So now we can plug everything. So x we got, what is the x? 1047, 1047, when 677, 315 bracket, 315 bracket, big bracket, square bracket, then curl bracket, then say I. 1 plus I. What is the I? Our I we got. Our I is the same, 16%. And then over M. What is the M? Our M equal to, how does it compound monthly? Means 12. Bracket, MN. 12 times how long? 10 years. 12 times 10 years. And then we minus 1. Because we minus 1. And then you over all of this. I. What is I? 16%. Over M. What is the M? It's just compounded what? Month. What we're going to do now, we can plug this in the calculator and get the future value. So come here and search for a calculator if it's there. I hope it's there. Okay, come and search for a calculator. Let me get my calculator this second, right? I appreciate your patience. Get the calculator quick. Okay, the calculator's coming now. Okay, get a calculator, it kind of disappear. Okay, yeah, we got it. Oh, where is you, calculator? Calculator, where is you? I don't see you. Disappeared. Okay, we got you. Okay, sorry about that. So check our calculator here and plug in the calculator. And now we're gonna say now 10, oh, fraction face. Oh, fraction. Okay, 10, 47, 7.6, 77315. Yes. bracket. Okay, bracket. And then you see one bracket, another bracket. Sorry. Okay, we say 1 plus 1 and then plus. Okay, what is our interest rate? Our interest rate is 16%. So 16. 50%. I'll make sure, yeah, 50%. And then we over by how does compounded math? Math means 12. We almost there. Come here close. Let's say power 120 because it's going to be 10 times 12. And then minus 1. Minus 1. Close the bracket. Go to the bottom bracket. And then put the bracket here. Come bracket. Go to the top there. What is the top? I. What is the I? 16%. 1, 6, shift percent. Then we over how to compound 12. Close the bracket. And they give you the answer. 306,519. Okay, so 5 to, okay, I might made a mistake. Yeah, it's correct because that's going to be the third option, you know, because it's 306,509, and if you approximate, that one is going to be 306,5, somewhere there too. Or you can just go slowly and plug it very slow in the calculator, and then you should get the answer, which is option number 3, because I don't want to make this very too long, but I think you understand what I'm saying. The option is option number 3. For that being said, man, follow me on all the social media. And hey, we're gonna be doing this question, and that question, and all the rest of the question. But let's stop here for this video. Thanks a lot for time. Peace.